From ancient stone therapies to Renaissance anatomical sketches, humanity has long sought the secret of physical relief. Early wooden rollers gave way to complex mechanical hands, leading to the first massage chairs of the 50s. Once as bulky as a tank, these giants represented our earliest attempts to automate the power of human touch. Heavy gears and bicycle chains once rattled beneath the leather, but time has shrunk the world of electronics. Digital blueprints now reveal a new era of minimalism, where massive frames are refined into sleek, compact silhouettes. In a world of shrinking living spaces, the mini massage chair emerges as a masterpiece of modern design. Where space is a luxury, technology must adapt. Soft silicone rollers glide along curved L tracks, replacing the rigid wood of the past with the fluid grace of precision engineering. As the heavy factory doors swing open, we move from the designer's sketch into a realm of brilliant white light and high-tech industrial perfection. The factory floor wakes up in silence, illuminated by a sea of white LEDs. Orange robotic arms stand in a quiet row, waiting for the signal to begin their synchronized dance. With a single startup beep, the system awakens. Raw steel pipes roll onto the conveyor, beginning their journey to become a sanctuary of total relaxation. High-strength alloy pipes are fed into cold saws, resulting in perfectly flat cuts without a single spark. CNC benders then shape the steel into the essential L-frame with fluid, effortless motion. In a brilliant flash of light, arc welding robots fuse the structure together, creating a rigid skeleton that is built to support and to last. Robotic welds flow with surgical precision, creating fish-scale patterns of legendary strength. Once formed, the frames pass through an electrostatic coating bath, where matte black particles cling to the magnetized metal. Heat-cured and hardened, the frame is joined by the guide rails, the smooth tracks where the magic of motion begins its work. CNC milling machines carve smooth grooves into the rails before a layer of white thermal grease is applied for friction-free movement. Inside the gearbox, high-performance resin gears are fitted with absolute accuracy. Robots inject lubricant into the housing, ensuring the engine of relaxation remains as quiet as a whisper. During the deepest massage, compact DC motors are installed, driving the massage arms that mimic the strength and rhythm of human fingers. Soft silicone rollers are attached to these metallic hands, moving gracefully along the L track in a macro display of fluid motion. After a noise test in a soundproof chamber, a silent forest of completed frames stands ready, waiting for their digital soul. Tiny air valves are connected to the pumps, where vibrating rubber diaphragms and copper coils are assembled with care. These air systems are placed in acoustic housings to drown out every sound. Electronic solenoid valves then take their place, acting as the rhythmic gatekeepers that control the chair's breathing pattern with total precision. In a sterile clean room, green circuit boards travel through high-speed SMT machines. Microchips, no larger than a grain of rice, are placed with absolute accuracy before moving into the soldering oven. Brilliant flashes of melted tin secure the connections, followed by optical inspections to ensure that the electronic brain is flawless and strong. Massage programs are flashed onto the chips as a protective, moisture-proof gel is applied to the circuit. Colorful wiring harnesses, wrapped in flame-retardant sleeves, are connected by hand. Every plug and socket is a vital bridge of communication, linking the motherboard to the physical power of the motors and the rhythmic breath of the airbags. Signal lights flash from red to green as the power supply is verified. High-definition remotes and touchscreens are tested for responsiveness, finalizing the digital interface. As automated vehicles transport these components in silence, the factory floor hums with a focused energy, bringing all the internal systems together for the final assembly. Rolls of premium PU leather are unrolled across massive tables where vibrating knives follow a computer's map. Laser-sharp blades glide through the material, carving out complex curves with incredible accuracy. These bundles of soft leather are then moved to the sewing line, where the final skin of the chair begins to take its luxurious form. Industrial needles pierce the thick leather with rhythmic speed, creating straight, double-stitched seams of legendary strength. Fiber-thin foam is sewn into the backing for extra comfort, while the airbags are integrated into their hidden pockets. Beautiful diamond patterns are stitched into the backrest, adding a touch of high-fashion elegance. Heat shears trim away every excess thread before the machine turns to the plastic shells. Pure ABS beads are fed into massive injection molders, creating the glossy side panels that will shield the inner mechanics. Robots pluck the warm plastic from the molds, trimming every edge to ensure a smooth, premium feel for the finished product. A protective UV coating is applied to the plastic, creating a scratch-resistant shine that catches the light. Every panel and leather cover is inspected under intense tubes before the final assembly begins. In the clean and silent workshop, the transition from raw materials to a finished masterpiece of comfort is almost complete. The steel frame is secured to the main line as the motors and guide rails are fitted into position. Motherboards and air systems are tucked into the base before the leather skin is draped over the frame. Skilled hands massage the surface to remove every wrinkle, pulling the leather taut to reveal the chair's sleek and modern ergonomic form. Staple guns secure the leather to the internal frame as the glossy side panels are bolted into place, hiding the complex mechanics within. In the silent room, the chair awakens. Microphones monitor the sound levels, verifying that the motors and rollers operate in a whisper-quiet harmony that will never disturb the peace of your home. A 100-kilogram robot performs a brutal endurance test, while massage rollers work continuously against a test mannequin. We verify the smooth glide of the zero-gravity function before every surface is deep cleaned. Wrapped in protection and sealed in heavy cartons, our promise of daily relaxation is ready to be delivered to your door. A mini massage chair stands in a studio apartment, a small sanctuary in a big world. Soft leather undulates as it provides a deep, healing touch. In the warm glow of evening light, this masterpiece of technology serves the life of the modern individual. Relaxation is no longer a luxury of space, but a gift of engineering for everyone.